Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and my sisters. Today, obviously, we're in a different environment. Today's video is also a little bit different. It's personable. Basically, I've taken 3 days out of my busy life and where I'm spending time with my family and my business and trying to juggle so many things together. I've taken 3 days out. 3 days where I practically don't do too much. I see a couple of friends, I chill out and I reminisce and I think about life. Now, that might sound a bit crazy, but I really want to see if this makes a difference. I really want to see if taking out a couple of days out of your life and just thinking about things, how much of an improvement it makes, how it makes you think, how it makes you change. I'm going to talk about this in the video and inshallah I'm going to conclude with, did it really help? Did it help and would I do this again? So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm here in the hotel and I'm not gonna lie, man. Like, I felt like this break was so needed. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I'm here. I'm gonna tell you everything about this break. Yeah, I'm gonna go through it. But I've just woken up. It's 2 o'clock. I was here last night on a Friday night. It's now Saturday. And the thing is, like, a few of my lads came over. Honestly, shout out to them, man. Like, they came over because I came to Central and they were local. And I was just chilling with them and then I got hella tired. I slept at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And now it's 2 o'clock and I've just woken up. But I've ordered some breakfast, which is coming in like 5 minutes. Inshallah. And I'm going to go have a shower, freshen up. I need to pray Dhuhr as well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with this whole day. So inshallah, let's see how it goes. Alright, so my food has arrived. And this is okay, I'm not gonna gas it. It's the second time. So basically, I ordered food first time. It was earlier on in the day. It is now 3:20, right? First time I'm gonna have food today. I ordered food, breakfast, halal breakfast. I was so gassed, and it just didn't come. Like, I don't know what happened. It just didn't come. So then I was like, it's a sign, you know? Like, I'm just gonna have to have some unhealthy food, basically. So, boom, we got the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise looks a bit squashed. We got the chili-ish sauce. We got the chicken. It's just chicken fillets, to be honest. It's just chicken fillets. And we've got bruv, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, this looks dead. It's just chips. They said it was gonna be like jalapeno cheesy chips. It looks so nice, and it's like, it's just chips with a bit of sauce. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I go on there, but I'm going to eat these, enjoy it. I am hungry, I'm starving. I think I'm in one of those situations, and to be fair, I bought bare water as well. Yeah, got bare water and a Sprite. Having said that, I've got a few more lads coming tonight, inshallah. So I'm gonna have a fat meal with them. So I guess a nice little meal. I'm gonna go out for a walk as well, so I'm gonna show you guys outside. So that's gonna be nice. Let's have a chit chat once I've eaten my food. So you guys are gonna be like, why Abu Musa? Why have you gone away for 3 days? Now, I'm gonna tell you, because you know what the thing is, yeah? When you're trying to run a business, when you're trying to work hard, when you're trying to do everything you're trying to do, like, it's not easy, you know? Sometimes you need 2-3 days out. Sometimes when you're waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning and you're coming home at 7 o'clock in the evening, wallahi, I tell you, it's not easy. And so the whole reason why I'm doing what I did is because I could just take a couple of days out and go back and hit it even harder. You know what I mean? Like, when you have to balance family life, when you have to balance deen, when you have to balance working hard on your business, it's hard. And sometimes taking a couple of days out, you know, to do what you got to do is important. And now, why have I chosen Central London to take out 3 days, chill with a couple of lads, and think about things? You know why? Because of these big buildings up here. You see these big buildings? When I walk past these big buildings, I realize something. I'm nothing. I realize that, who do I think I am when I talk about money and finance and things like that, and look how much I need to achieve? Do you get what I'm saying? Like, I'm here talking to you guys like, you know, you should do this, you should do that, and I'm talking about, oh, I want to achieve this, that, and the other. But when I see these big buildings and I'm a tiny little man, you know, I realize, like, it humbles me, because it makes me realize how much I have to achieve. Now, so I'm here now with these big buildings, and I'm telling you, it's breaking my neck. Like for real. The thing breaks my neck. I'm actually, I still can't see the top, for real. Now, why am I saying this? I'm saying this for one simple reason. Because it makes me realize how much there is to achieve. It makes me realize how much there is to do. It makes me realize like I'm nothing. And that's important. It's important to always humble yourself. And these 3 days are not only just for me to realize like how much I want to achieve and how much I want to do. No, it's also about Ramadan. Ramadan's coming in another 10 days. And you know, sometimes your iman is low. Sometimes you need to, you know, better yourself or correct yourself. And so today is about reflecting. Today is all about reflecting about what I need to be achieving, what I need to be doing. You know, the KPMG buildings behind me, Barclays buildings behind me. You know, we got the HSBC building here. So it's making me realize like I got a lot to do, man. But tomorrow I'm still here. And tomorrow, inshallah, is going to be all about raising the iman. You know, doing as much as I can to have a good day for the deen. So inshallah, we can have a good start to Ramadan. These all 3 days are about me taking time out, man. Me taking time out and reflecting upon myself and saying, yo, am I where I want to be? Like, am I exactly where I want to be, or have I got a lot to achieve? Am I exactly where I want to be when it comes to the deen, the dunya? See, this is important. Because even our scholars, even our people of knowledge, they say tadabbur is very important. Reflection is key. If you're not reflecting upon your life, have I achieved enough? Am I doing enough? You know, have I achieved the goals that I have achieved? Putting things in place. You know, thinking about these things. If you're not doing that, trust me, you got to start, man. You got to start. Okay, so my people, it's Maghrib time now. I've just prayed. It's getting a bit dark outside. To be fair, I prayed 5-10 minutes ago, all right? The point though being is I got a couple of my friends, they're coming down. For the last 2-3 hours, I just chilled out. I'm not gonna lie, I just took it easy, laid in my bed, answered a few questions for you guys on Instagram. And if you guys haven't already, follow me up on the Instagram. That's where it's a bit more personable. You can ask me a few more questions, send me a DM, Abu Musa _CH. I'll leave the link in the description below. But again, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna let you know I'm here for another day, so you will catch me again tomorrow. I'm gonna make it all a together thing. And I'm gonna tell you what I've learned from taking these couple of days out, inshallah, near the end. Okay, so next day I'm up. I mean, to be fair, I've been up a while. Done some Quran, done some reading, done whatever I had to do basically to make today a good day. But now we're gonna go for a jog. Now we're gonna go for a little jog. We're gonna go a little bop, and I'm gonna talk to you guys outside. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So at this point, I really knew I messed up. I mean, the woman was looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? And I was kind of embarrassed. So, yeah, I didn't record when I went outside. But, yeah. Okay, so my brothers and sisters, obviously, I wanted to show you the hotel that I'm staying in. Let me just, they gave it a quick little clean, you know what I mean? So, obviously, man's got to show you the thing now. Like, the toilet, I can't lie, is not the, I don't know. It's nice. It just... You know, you got the bath thing, you got yeah, whatever. You also have a shower. Now, I don't get this here because there's a shower here, but then there's a shower here. So, obviously, man's just on his ones, so it is what it is. Got a cheeky little mirror thingy here. The bed. It is a comfortable bed, but the duvet was stressful. You know, like taking this thing out from the bottom. Like, why is it so hard sometimes? Okay, so basically the room is like this, okay? You got a bed in that here, the scenery, which I'm going to show you shortly, but then you've got a nice little space here, you know, for the meetings and that, you know, when you have to hold meetings and you need to social distance. That's the reason for this space right now, because I had to hold a lot of meetings with my friends and stuff, and we had to social distance. You get what I'm saying? So obviously now, let me just, okay, boom, by the way, got the nice little TV there, munchies there. I'm actually editing out this video, which is coming out in a couple of hours. So this video is actually coming out in a couple of hours, and I'm recording it right now as well. Let me just show you the view though. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, this is the view. So what I've basically done a couple of times, got the chair, swung it around, checked the view, done some tadabbur, read some Quran, thought about things. Sounds a bit mad, but listen, it's beneficial. So this is the room, and yeah, let me conclude for you guys. My brothers and sisters, I was actually planning on going home tomorrow, which is Monday, but you know what? I'm gonna cut it short and I'm actually gonna go home Sunday evening because I might as well just go home and sleep at home and then sort of take it from there. But how has this made me feel? Like, you know what? Life is so busy. We're always running at trying to achieve the next thing, trying to get the next promotion, trying to do whatever we can, but the next big thing, we're always trying to do it. And the one thing I've realized is so many times we get into a race and days and months and years go by and we don't even realize and understand, are we actually achieving what we wanted to achieve? Because it takes a couple of steps back to understand, yo, listen, like, I wanted to achieve more. So has this been beneficial? Has this changed me in ways? Of course. And we know that Ramadan's coming up as well. And alhamdulillah, I've actually been able to spend some time and reflect upon my life and actually read some Quran and do some reflection and understand that, you know what, like, I have to focus more time on my deen. And inshallah, now that I can go back to my normal life, I've sort of put in my head already the things that I need to improve. I need to improve my deen. I need to improve my work ethic. I need to improve turning up to work every single day on time, every single day. And these sort of things are so very important, but the only time you realize is when you take a step back and you look at your life. And to be honest, my brothers and sisters, that's exactly what I've done. No doubt I would recommend this to you guys. But look, my brothers and sisters, as always, if you've liked this video, like the video, share with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But as always, I appreciate your time. Jazakallah khairan for watching. We're going to make these changes and we're going to carry on making more and better videos. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.